Today we're presenting a true revolution in the world of household robots. Ecovacs has just unveiled at the IFA 2025 in Berlin the Deebot X11, the world's first mop robot with unlimited autonomy thanks to instant recharging. Curious about how it works? Stick with us until the end. Unveiled at IFA 2025 in Berlin, the Deebot X11 was introduced alongside Ecovacs CEO Chen Cheng. It represents a major leap forward in home cleaning technology. Ecovacs has designed this device to meet real household needs, aiming for what they call an invisible and proactive technology. At the core of this breakthrough lies Power Boost, an ultra-fast charging technology. In just 3 minutes, the robot regains 6% battery, which is enough to clean up to 1,000 square meters without stopping. That means no more long, boring charging breaks. But unlimited autonomy isn't the only strength of the Deebot X11. It also brings sheer cleaning performance with the Osmo Roller 2.0, a high-density roller combining 3,800 Pascal suction power with 200 rotations per minute. This combo wipes away even the toughest stains in just one pass. And with TrueEdge 3.0, it cleans up to 1.5 centimeters from walls and edges, leaving nothing behind. In short, the Deebot X11 is a technological milestone. Unlimited autonomy, ultra-precise cleaning, proactive intelligence, and eco-responsibility. This robot isn't just an upgrade, it's a new standard for home cleaning.